is early in the morning, as you can tell from behind me. The sun is still down. It's about, I don't know, 6:30 in the morning on Sunday morning, and I just wanted to say good morning. I'm the first one up in my house, and this is kind of my quiet time to recharge a little bit, get going before everyone else gets up. So today, it is Sunday, so we are going to head to church this morning. I'll take you guys along a little bit with that, and then we will see what else we get up to. We really don't have any plans today. We need to get some ornaments on the Christmas tree. It is up and it is lit and it is garland, but we need to get the ornaments up still, so we'll probably do that today at some point. Hopefully, I'd really like to have that done before the weekend. And then I'll be cracking the whip over kids for homework, which you probably guys could care less about seeing. But hopefully I can get some time down into the sewing room and maybe finish those jeans. Maybe even take a look at the Nettie bodysuit a little bit, and we could go over that a little too, maybe. We'll see. So, happy day 2 of Vlogmas, and I'll see you in a bit. Day 2, Lego Advent. What will it be? It's a little man. Whoa.
Owie.
Where did it go? Oh, I see. Lost his money. That's not good. So is this a little kid maybe shopping at the toy shop? For reference, these Lego calendars are different every year. There's a different scene that we set up every year. Last year was like a ski chalet, so I think this year is a toy shop. Oh, there's the kid with his money. Okay, happy day 2. Okay, guys, just wanted to show you what I'm wearing, since you guys are actually interested in that. I've got my new Sasha, I'm just cutting my head off too. I have my new Sasha trousers on today. Of course, I will get more into this in my lookbook. My closet case, Sasha trousers. Guys, these are the most comfortable pair of pants I have ever had on. They're meant for a stretch woven, and it's kind of hard to tell because I've got them with a darker colored turtleneck, so obviously I'll show them more off in the lookbook here in a couple weeks. But oh my gosh, these are so comfortable. I did all the bells and whistles on these. I have welt pockets in the back that were really fun to do. My first on pants. I've done many welt pockets on jackets and stuff, but that was really fun. But anyway, this is what I'll be wearing to church. This is not my 1 week, 1 pattern, because those are the gingers. So I will post a different picture later when we get home and I put on comfy clothes. But yeah, this is church outfit. So, and it's literally only like 8 o'clock in the morning. We get going early here in our household on the weekends. Okay, I will see you soon. Okay, so I totally didn't get any footage of us at church. This is going to shock you all, but I did run into a neighbor while we were there and got talking and just totally forgot about picking up a camera at all. So we are now home, and we're going to work on our car. We have the smell of death in our van. I'm sure anyone else out there with kids knows the smell, like clearly food of some sort is somewhere in the van and we can't find it. So we're going to go clean the van real quick while it's sunny and somewhat warm. It's really windy, but it's better than it has been. So that is the plan. I won't video that. You don't want to see me cleaning my van. But then hopefully later we'll be putting ornaments on the tree, and that might be kind of fun and festive. And maybe I'll get some sewing in today. We'll see. Okay, until next time. Okay, I'm down in the sewing room. We got the van all clean. Never found what was causing the smell, but we cleaned everything so well, I think whatever it was, hopefully is gone. It's one of the great mysteries of being a parent. No idea where it came from. But anyway, I've had a couple of deliveries today, oddly enough, even though it's Sunday, and I kind of wanted to share them with you. I am in the sewing room right now. I'm probably not going to get any sewing done. I'm actually not feeling all that well. I've just been doing some editing and stuff upstairs, some for YouTube and that kind of thing in the blog. Oh, look, we have a visitor. Gidget. Hi. But I wanted to show you what I got because this is, I think I'm going to do my Kelly Anorak. It's not a sew along because I'm not going through step by step with you, but kind of the follow along, we'll call it. The Kelly Anorak follow along through Vlogmas, which will help give some interest to some of my days, I think. So let me show you what came today. So I've already shown you the Liberty Cotton Lawn. This is going to be the body and the hood of the coat, not the sleeves. It is definitely, it's cotton, it is sticky, it will not be slippery enough for the sleeves. You would not be able to move in the coat if you did cotton in your sleeves for the lining. But what arrived today are my PDF plotting order. It was a little longer than normal, but it arrived today and it includes my Kelly lining pack. So I have my printed off pattern here that I used the last time around. So that will go with the lining as soon as I unearth it from this box. I've got my hardware kit. I don't know that I necessarily needed the hardware. I bought the hardware kit last time too when I made my coat. And it comes with all of the tools and stuff to make your hardware. Now thinking about it, I probably could have just bought the notions and probably been okay, but it was on sale. It was during her 30% off, I think, Black Friday sale. So I will have a second set of the tools, and if I make another one ever, I can just buy notions. But anyway, I've got the kit. I have some navy blue. I actually grabbed 2 cuts, didn't mean to, but this is Bimberg rayon. So it is super slippery, and this is going to be the sleeves of my coat. You will never see it, but it'll be nice and slippery for wear. Okay. So there's that together. The body of my coat, like I showed you earlier, is this cotton twill that has a little bit of stretch in it. It's from Joann's, actually. I've been really impressed with how Joann's has upped their fabric game lately. Their apparel fabric game the past couple years has just really improved. So anyway, this will be the body of my coat. And the other thing that arrived, sorry if I'm making you sick, is my stencil that arrived today. So if you, hold on, it's hard to do with my hands. If you are not aware, Thinsulate is a thermal lining. So it is kind of slippery on this one side, and then it has kind of it almost feels like a batting kind of on the other side. And it's somewhat quilted together already, but it is for insulation and for warmth. So I'm going to quilt my entire lining, nothing fancy, like literally just straight lines. I think I'm just going to follow the lines of this fabric here. So all of my quilting lines will just kind of, not completely, but follow these lines here with the fabric on the lining. So my sleeves will also just be lined in straight lines. So there is my Thinsulate. These are all of my notions now arrived. So as soon as I'm done with my Morgan jeans, I may go ahead and cut into these. So you guys will probably see me working on this week. So anyway, that's all I have to share for now, and I will check back in after a bit. Here's the before. It's finished. Tree is up, lit, and ornaments are on. Merry Christmas. Okay, everyone, so that has been our day. We've just got dinner, I guess, left, and then early bedtimes because we start the week tomorrow. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed my day, however exciting it's been. Happy Vlogmas, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.